Hello, I'm Elliott Jones, and this is my submission for the 2024 Inversity Challenge. As I'm sure you know, during a race, teams are inundated with lap times, sector splits, team radios, and much more. The challenge is not only collecting this data, but interpreting it accurately and rapidly to make real-time strategic decisions. I think it's quite challenging to research this problem, as teams tend to be quite quiet about their off-track techniques. But after extensive quizzing of the challenge chatbot and watching interviews with race engineers, I formed a pretty good idea of how we could minimise human error in the decision-making process on track. One of the main issues that occurred to me is the cognitive load on the strategists and race engineers during a race. They're constantly staring at a wall of information during the race, and I think that we can outsource some of this thinking to artificial intelligence. I believe that AI is the future of data analysis and predictions, as it can read and interpret data thousands of times faster than any human can. That is why I'm excited to introduce you my solution, AI analysis. My program harnesses the power of AI, along with having easily digested graphs and data representation, and providing access to live data in a matter of seconds.
Here we are inside the program. Right away you can see the user-friendly interface with all the functional menus placed down here, and a large area in the middle here to display the data. You can see me here selecting the mode and the driver to be displayed on the centre of the screen. And here you can see the graph of lap number against lap time in the middle. Additionally, you can open a detailed graph menu to easily pan over and zoom into specific data points. And now for my personal favourite, and by far the most useful part of the program. My software includes a large language model, which can be given access to any live race data for analysis. I must point out that there are some limitations in that I only have limited access to a relatively small free language model. But the program is capable of interacting with any AI, it's just I don't have access to the very good ones. The final feature of my prototype is the team radio listener, which makes listening to other drivers' radios easier than ever. All you do is click on a driver and get the team radio button, and any available team radio files should appear here, although the API does not seem to have any files from the previous race. I tested my program during the Saudi Arabia Grand Prix on Saturday, and it turned out that my program updates faster than the broadcast on my computer, but it was definitely still live.
If I had more time and resources for this project, I would definitely add a more sophisticated AI model, as it would allow me to feed it with much more data. Additionally, I could make much more ways to view and compare data, as it's much easier to make an informed decision if you can clearly see patterns and trends in the data. In conclusion, with AI analysis, you can react faster to the changing race conditions, optimize your strategy with predictive analysis from the language model, and reducing human error in the decision-making process. AI analysis is not just a tool, it could be your new race strategist, an intelligent, reliable, and indispensable member of your team that works tirelessly to ensure you're one step ahead. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and insights.